Okay, well, hello there. I am Helene Idels. I am the branch manager at the Ocean Beach Library, and I'm here with my friend Malka, and we are here to demonstrate how to make a vegan tuna salad sandwich. This is a very easy recipe that can replicate the flavors and sensations of a yummy tuna salad without having to use tuna. And it's a great thing to have for the coming summer months, the nice warm months, to sit outside with a cool, refreshing sandwich and a few other side dishes along with it. So,
shall we get to it?
Yes, we shall.
Okay, and the recipe will be posted at the end of this video, okay? So you don't have to quick write everything down, but we're going to tell you what the ingredients are as we make it, all right? So you can see we've kind of prepped everything here. So we're going to go ahead and start. And we're going to go into our little food processor. So the first ingredient is chickpeas, also known
as garbanzo
beans. Okay, so there we go. We got 1 can. You can get that anywhere at the store. This is organic garbanzo beans, and those are going to go.
And these are ingredients that most households already have, nothing special and fancy.
Yeah, so we're putting all this in the food processor. That's how easy this is going to be. And let's see, we've got some mustard. Got 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I'm going to need a little
spoon to scoop it out.
Go and scoop it out. Get that in there. Okay, what do we have next? We have
lemon juice.
Lemon juice. What do we have?
1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
1 tablespoon lemon juice. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is always the best. Okay, so that's going in.
And this is probably serving for 2, would you say?
Oh, yeah. I think for 2 would be good. Okay, and next we have the
soy sauce, or
this is actually cocoa aminos, which I think soy sauce is probably going to be easier for most people to that have already in their cupboards or fridge. So there's 2 tablespoons of that.
And 4 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay, we've got some very nice olive oil here. That's also in. Okay.
And 1/2 bell pepper. It calls for red, but we used
actually, yeah. I thought it was a yellow one, but I have orange bell pepper. Actually, what we're going to do, because we don't want this to be like a puree, okay? Right. So we're going to go ahead and blend first all these items kind of smooth, and then when we add the bell pepper and the pickles and the green onion, we're just going to slightly pulse it just to kind of combine, all right?
Some texture.
Okay, so there'll be a little noise for a second here as we put that in. Okay, it's in the processor here. You could probably use a blender, but it's harder to get, usually they're deeper, but I would say get that. So, okay, hang on, we'll do this real quick. That was quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells good.
All right, so now we're going to pop in the half of the bell pepper. Okay, get that in. And the green onion.
The 2 spring onions, yeah.
How do you call spring onion or green onion?
He calls it spring onions, which is basically scallions, right?
Wow, so we got spring onion, green onion, and scallion, all for the same thing.
Yeah, sweet onion, yeah.
I love that. And then also the name, the recipe calls it gherkins. And I was like, what the heck is a gherkin? Is it a little tiny
pickled gherkins?
Yeah. So apparently it's the same thing. It's a pickle, and
which is a cucumber.
Right, pickled cucumber. But in England, Australia, and New Zealand, they call them gherkins. So don't go crazy looking for a gherkin. It does say that on the recipe. Must be a
It
British.
must be. Oh, yes, and this recipe, well, we'll be posting it, so you'll see where it came from. It's from a website that had 31 springtime or May season vegan recipes.
Yeah, which I don't think we're posting all of those.
No, we'll just post this one.
Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more of the pickle. Okay.
Yeah, there's different kinds of pickles. There's kosher pickles, dill pickles, sweet pickles. So I don't know if these are more on the sour side or the sweet side.
This is sweet. These
Sweet.
ones
Okay,
just have to
sweet.
be.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just going to pulse it. Pulsing. Okay, just kind of get them mixed up, and just you can see it's got a nice consistency. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and get some of this out. And yeah,
Yeah, wow, that looks good.
it's really nice.
That was wonderful. This is a simple tuna salad.
Yeah.
You could do it a fancier type where you can use jackfruit. You can also, to give it more of a seafood type flavor, you can add dulse flakes. That's a
How do you
variety
spell-
of Dulce. It's a variety of seaweed. But that's not something that most people have in their home. But if you wanted to experiment, you can go out and buy. It's usually in the seasonings section. Dulse flakes, and that gives it more of a seafood type of flavor.
Okay.
It's
So,
got kind of like chunky, like tuna salad.
yeah, take a look at that.
Oh man, that looks yummy.
Look good. And we're ready to build a sandwich here,
Yeah.
and then we're good to go. So let's see.
This is Malka's homemade, gluten-free.
This is gluten-free, yeast-free, and let's see, what else free? Sugar-free,
And it's got
and vegan. Yeah, a lot of sesame seeds, and it's got garlic, and this is actually a garlic rosemary we
Yum.
made. So, so I'll just
You don't have to get this fancy. You can just use basic breads.
yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right on here.
You can do this like as an open face sandwich. You can even do it on like the little bite size. If you're serving at a
Like hors d'oeuvres.
yeah, hors d'oeuvres, yeah.
Crackers.
Yeah.
Well, okay. So I'm going to do a little open face sandwich.
Yeah, if you do an open face sandwich, you can make it as a full, complete sandwich, and I like to jokingly call it a Dagwood. You know how the cartoon Dagwood, where he piles everything on.
You're really dating yourself.
I am, but Dagwood's still in the comics.
I don't think anyone.
But you can add lettuce,
Under 40 or-
tomato, a slice of vegan cheese, maybe sprouts instead of lettuce, some slices of avocado.
Okay.
So-
Okay. So there's a lovely picnic lunch, or just a great spring lunch for you. We made a little iced tea, and there we go. So
There you go. That's how to make a vegan tuna salad. Healthy, refreshing, yummy, and good.
and healthy.
And healthy, yeah.
Healthy and delicious. So thanks for watching,
Thank you for
and
joining us.
let us know if you make it.
Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye now.